Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nicole with Made from Scrap, and I'm very happy to share with you I have received my next design team package from Country Craft Creations. I'm going to do a little walkthrough of it, and I'm starting with this 8x8 paper collection from Country Craft Creations. This is the Three Little Pigs. This is going to be my first time working with this paper collection, and it's actually the first time I'm seeing this paper collection, so I'm super excited to share it with you. I think these are just adorable. I am loving the color scheme on here, and the script on here is pretty. Oh my. Okay, so we get two of the cut aparts. I don't want to make this video too long, but it's very, very pretty. We get two of those cut apart pieces. We get two of these cut apart pieces. And these are kind of looking like bookmarks to me, little mini bookmarks. How cute is that? The back side of this is a muted color, and it is the other papers. Oh, how pretty. Okay, so we get this as the sheet, and it is the front of the storybook. Loving that. Look how cute those little piggies are. And then on the back side are the muted papers. The muted colors, I mean, for the papers. So we get two of each. There we go. We're going to start the little story. This is the Three Little Pigs, their mommy. And isn't this pretty? This paper would even look good with a wedding, if you want to make a wedding card. How pretty is that? Love that green. Ooh. And this, let's see. This is the back side of the next page in the collection. Look at the little windmill. You see these color scheme, that little purple that's going through there. This is going to match up really, really well with the Dream of Home collection from Country Craft Creations. It's very pretty. Okay, let's keep moving, Nicole. You have the haystacks here. So the first little piggy's going to build his house of hay. And he's got those wheelbarrows to build that hay. Then you have that wolf that's coming to spoil the fun. Pretty. Got those pretty stars, those yellow stars. Then you have your little piggy that's going to build his house of sticks. Love that green color. Really pretty. And you have this little pig that's going to build his house of bricks. This little duck that's there hanging out. How cute. Put the wolf in the background. And then you have the print on the back side with these little duckies and the piglet sticking his head out of that chimney. Cute. The vegetable garden that they're growing. Cute. All right. Kind of like a stripe. And you have a fruit garden. It's apple trees. You have a pig in the barrel. There you go. The barrels in the apple barrel. Very cute. And we got this little piggy cooking up his meal in that copper pan in his house of bricks. He's got his cute little charcuterie board. He's making his little pizza and his croissants and his apple cherry pie. How sweet is that with those little polka dotted background? Super cute. All right, let's put that one aside. Next one I picked up was the All-American collection. This is the 6x6. I did just use the All-American collection. I was using a 12x12, so let's take a look at this selection. You have the size difference here that you can see from the 12x12 down to the 6x6, quarter of the size. But that's going to be fun to work with, and I'm going to enjoy using these papers on something that I can see the entirety of the plan page. I have these little cut aparts that are really good ephemera pieces here for many junk journals. You got that back side that has that beautiful Statue of Liberty and the blues. These little cut apart pieces, just fantastic for some little junk journals. Look at these old-timey stamps. You want to just cut those out as stamps. That would be cool. Liberty. So here's the selection. I want to make sure to be able to use the whole sheet on something of this size. So this was the reason why I picked up this 6x6 collection, so I could make something coming up for the 4th of July. Battle of Liberty. There you go. That lovely red. Look at that gorgeous eagle. Love that. And there's our wonderful American flag. Red stars on the back. You have the baseball theme, American tradition. There you go on the back side, baseball players. Voice of Liberty. That bell, Liberty Bell. And there's the Liberty Bell with the black and brown. Pretty. There's a small version, so that's your stripes. And how pretty is this? You got this one. This image is gorgeous. War bonds. There's the red stars on the background there, and then you have your American eagle. Isn't that pretty? Okay, so with the All-American, there's a hint of baseball in this. I went ahead and picked up collection. This is the 4th of July paper. This is the element sticker sheet. This is from Carta, and I'm planning on using this, mixing it together with the baseball. This is the home run collection from Carta. So you have these stickers that I'm planning on using some of these with this. So I have the pennants here, and then on the back side of the pennants is that beautiful blue and white, navy blue stripe. And let me move this All-American out of the way for us. Then we have the home run stickers themselves, the element sticker pack. Beautiful stickers here. Then we have a couple of solids. I picked up this yellow and green, cream and navy, and red and black. So that's the one side, and then that is the other. Okay, we're gonna play that up with the other pages from this collection. So I'll show you the frames, and then you have the blue and white, you have the baseballs on one side, and then you have these cut aparts on the other. So these are the 3x4 cut aparts. Really cool. You have this baseball stitch. And then on the back side of that, you have a tone-on-tone blue star. You have the baseballs, which makes it look like a stripe, a horizontal stripe. I'm sorry, baseball bats. And then on the back side of that, you have this red home run. 4x6 cut aparts. Those are cool. And on the back side, you have the red and white stripe. Baseball bats again, which the mitts look like polka dots, and then you have those baseballs running throughout. You have this cool text. I like it on that cream background. And then you have this baseball one, and those green color scheme right there, which is gorgeous, together with this major stadiums map. I think this is super cool, this major stadiums map. How cool is that? All right, on the back side of that green is more the baseball one. That's why I picked up 2 of those. And then we have this one that is the tone tan with brown polka dots, small polka dots. And that was the back side that you saw. We have this mitt. And then on the back side of that, you have those baseball bats. Okay. Blue and white fields. Bat and mitt. And then you have a red and white stripe. And then you have some of these little cut apart pieces if you'd like to, or just use that as a collage. And I picked up 2 of these because the back side is the baseball score sheet. So I think that is gonna go really fabulous with that All-American collection from Country Craft Creations. And I mean, just look at this. This is really cool. Look at that. Really cool. And on top of that, make something for Father's Day. I'm really excited about that. Okay, so last thing, not least, I picked up 2 of these sheets because you have this gorgeous stripe on one side and then the butterflies that are really vibrant from Photoplay. This is the Showers and Flowers collection, and this is called Spread Your Wings. And then I also picked up the ephemera pack, and it has some really cool little ephemera pieces in here. The banners, some of the titles on here, really cool, and a couple little tags. So I am going to enjoy making with this. And that is my design team package for this next month and a half. And don't forget to pick up these products from Country Craft Creations. And until next time, everyone, happy crafting, you all. Bye.